Hello, this is Hatansi with the Bain Group, and today I'm going to show you how to visualize data from a SharePoint list using Power BI. We will cover the following items: integrating the list or library with Power BI, and visualizing data using Power BI. This feature in SharePoint allows you to create reports from data in SharePoint lists or libraries. This can be very helpful in quickly visualizing any data that you have in a list or library, which can ultimately simplify complex data, identify patterns, trends, and even risks, and help in effective decision making. So let's get started. First, let's integrate the list or library with Power BI. Go to the SharePoint list with the data that you want to visualize. Click Integrate in the List menu, click Power BI, and click Visualize the List. This will open a new tab where you will be directed to a pop-up saying that creating a report will be visible to anyone who can view the list. Select Create a Report. Now, Power BI will automatically generate a report for you showing interesting insights based on your data. You can change the data that you see in the report very easily. Select which columns you want to see in the visuals. You can also personalize a visual by clicking on this icon right here and change the visualization type, y-axis and x-axis if they apply, and tooltips as well. The data in the report will update regularly to stay in sync with the list or library. Data refresh is limited to once every 3 hours. After a refresh, you can use the Refresh Visuals button in the ribbon to update the visuals. If the list or library has been updated with new data or metadata, such as an updated list or library name, after the most recent data refresh, these changes will not be reflected in the report until the next refresh. You can also share your report. To share the report with your team, you can publish the report back to the list or library using this button right here. You do need a Power BI license in order to do this. If you do have a Power BI license, you can name your report and confirm you're ready to publish back to the list or library. Once it's published, everyone who has access to the list or library can open the report and see all the data in the report. Some additional information about this feature is that anyone can use this feature to explore their list or library data. But you do need a Power BI Pro license to enter the full edit experience, publish reports, access reports that others have published, or delete reports. Your report readers also need a Power BI Pro license. And that's how you can visualize your SharePoint list or library data using Power BI. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.